crack it.
Hello guys, in this video we will see how to deal with Internet Download Manager fake registered pop-up. It's 100% fixed and cannot be seen anywhere. So you need to do 3 steps for that. First, you need to download this file. Link will be given in description. IDM fake fixed. Just click on reset fix.exe and click yes. Now open task manager and close the IDM if running. You can see over here and end this. Now the help is given over here. First you need to trial reset and click register. So make sure this automatically option is not ticked and click reset the IDM trial now. It will take 10 to 20 seconds to reset. And it's done. Now click on register, click register IDM now and leave it as it is and click OK. So the key has been reset, so IDM will still show the pop-up. IDM still might show the pop-up, so we need to do 2 more things. Just click the Windows key and R key and type rig edit and click OK. You can see registry editor, click yes, and you need to go to the path hex key current user software and download manager. In download manager, go to check update IDM, double click it and change the value from any 1 or 10 to 0. Click OK. Close it. The third thing you need to do is again press open the run by pressing Windows key plus R key and type notepad C Windows system32 drivers etc. host. Click OK. You need to add these few things. To add these few things, first copy and paste it and save it on desktop and manually paste it to the folder etc. folder. Link will be given in description of all these copy pastings and all files. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.
Yeah!